What's up YouTube? This is Monster back this week with another reaction video, and for this video I am going to be reacting to Best Air Horn Compilation, Best Funny Videos, Air Horn Prank, Best Air Horn Video Humor. Wow, that's a mouthful for a title. Alright, so a little something interesting that I wanted to point out. I actually counted up all my videos I've uploaded, and this is going to be my 20th video to go up. Also, I just want to say that as of right now, I have got 167 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed to me. It really means a lot. It helps me get closer to my goal of 500 subscribers. Now, you guys are going to notice something a little different with this video. So, leave a comment down below if you guys notice what it is. Lengthwise. I'm just going to say that. And don't forget to drop a like and smash that subscribe button and leave a comment down below in the comment section. And don't forget to share. Alright, now, let's get into the video. I've never seen this one before. Oh, that's funny. I have a little honking fest with a car. Okay. That was pretty funny. Hey, let me go get that. I'd be scared I'd get slapped. I love people. Hey, that's one way to ruin a good golf game. Take an air horn, make the golfer lose his club. Beep. I'm not gonna do that anymore, so don't worry. Either in the middle of a movie or TV and you blow the air horn on a wife. I mean, at least that's one way to get someone off their phone, I'd say.
What? You're on Instagram. You have a problem.
Now I can see why you don't use an air horn to wake someone up. It may scare them awake, but it's scaring them. Because you're not thinking when you first wake up. Eye to the face. Wasn't quite as loud. Oh, fishing. Let me back that up for a minute there. His friend, when his friend got out of the water, he was probably ready to fight him or something. He got him soaking wet with that air horn. Blowing it at him. He cleared himself a seat. Wasn't quite as big. like to know how you get an air horn in a fridge, and that's interesting. An air horn in a refrigerator. That'll wake me up. I know that much.
Hey.
Why are you drinking something? Okay. Air horn drink. That wasn't really that loud, but he is out though. That is so wrong. Your friend's using the bathroom, and you're hiding in the shower. I don't know how long that guy was hiding in the shower for, but you're hiding in there with an air horn. You hear your friend using the bathroom, and you just open the curtain and blow it on him. That is so wrong. I definitely would never try that, because it probably wouldn't be good. Get them out of the road. Let them jump up. Now that's how you hit someone in the pool. Hey man, yeah, I'm just gonna fill up the pool, and guy comes up with an air horn, and oh yeah, check this out, and oh, that was loud. That was probably caught him off guard. Ooh, he's got a little bit of mess to clean up.
He's in the bathroom, you can look.
It's sitting in a kid's chair. You feel the cock off the tree.
See the white cable?
Oh, that had to hurt. Your friend blows an air horn while you're under a cabinet. That's gotta hurt your head. Oh my god! Not really that big. These people must get skin pretty easily. Let me back that up for just a minute. Right here. If I were that guy with the air horn, I would run like crazy, because you know that guy is probably a little pissed. All those computers. Now the room there. Okay. Alright. So, Let me know what you guys thought of this video, and let me know any other videos you guys might want me to react to, whatever you want. Alright, so, like I said, don't forget to drop a like and smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below in the comment section. Don't forget to share. Alright, that's it for this video. Peace out, Filmmaster Squad.